The next thing I'd like to show you in the portal is the tools area. Now, the main difference between products and tools is that products are actually static documents that cannot be customized, and tools are templates that you can actually populate with your own content. And let me show you an example of that. We have two templates available right now. We have a 6-up bag stuffer, which is effectively a two-sided 8.5 by 11 bag stuffer with 6 products on the front and 6 products on the back. And the 4-up bag stuffer is the same thing, except it's 4 products on the front and 4 products on the back. So let me click on that and show you how that works. So here it is. What you'll see first when you select that product is you'll see a demonstration of what that product is going to look like when it's finished, a sample. And you'll notice that there are 6 products on the front with 6 various discount amounts, along with 6 products on the back and 6 discount amounts. Also, the tool will automatically place your logo right here in the bottom left, and will automatically place your store information here. So it's all done for you. And most importantly, it will actually also place all of the marketing messaging for each product individually here for you. So you don't have to type anything in. It's really easy to use. And let me show you how to do it. So let's start by just clicking on continue to proceed forward in the process. And then I'm presented a form here where I need to select the products that I'd like to showcase. So I just click on the select brand drop down here and pick the brand I'd like to showcase. And then I'm just going to pick one of these products here and click add product. And then I'm just going to do the same thing over and over again until I've filled in all the spots. And so I'm just going to quickly burn through this. Alright, it'll take a little bit of time. But if you think about how we used to do this, meaning you'd have to hire a graphic designer, and then the graphic designer would have to get all these assets and get the marketing material and put this all together, that entire process could take weeks to complete. So by the time you've started with the idea to the time that you've actually received these printed materials, it could be 2 to 3 weeks. And in this example here, as you can see, I'm just going through this really, really quickly, and by the time we're finished and placing the order, we can have this in your office without you even having to step out of your office within 3 to 5 business days. And it's really that quick. So I'm just going to keep doing this. It takes a little bit of time here. And we are done. Okay. Now I'm going to go and pick all the discount amounts. Now for this particular template, you can either choose a discount by percentage, meaning 10% off as an example, or you can pick a dollar value, so $1 off, $2 off, etc. We are going to be producing other templates that will allow you to have more flexibility. In fact, we have another template coming out which will allow you to actually set the price, the sale price or the regular price for your product. So it won't be a discount-based bag stuffer, but it'll be a price-based bag stuffer. And we also have other templates coming down the pipe, such as posters and coupon books. So stay tuned for all those wonderful templates as they become available. So now that I've selected all the products and the discount values, I'm just going to click on continue, and this is where the magic happens. And it takes about 60 seconds to 90 seconds to complete this process. What's happening is all these images are being resized and placed in the template, and they're doing this in very, very high resolution so that the document that you end up with can be used for high resolution print, and it's going to be a very high print quality document. So it does take a little bit of time, but again, going back to what I was saying before, in the grand scheme of things, when you think about how we used to do this before and that it would take weeks to complete this kind of a project, the fact that we're able to do this in just a few minutes is really quite remarkable and just showcases how powerful this technology really is. And so it's just going round and round, and we should be almost done here in a few seconds. Another great thing about these templates is that you don't have to worry about putting any of the marketing copy in here. You don't have to worry about spelling or making spelling mistakes. You don't have to worry about what you're going to say. Everything is taken care of for you. And here we go. Okay, it's done. So as you can see, it's showing me the digital proof of what I've produced, and you can see all the products that I've picked are in there. You can actually see all the discount values that I had chosen are in there. I'm using the Nature's Fair account as a demonstration account. You can see I put the logo in there, and I put the Nature's Fair store information. And from here, there's a few things we can do. So first, if I wanted to just download this file, and if I needed this print job done right away, and I needed it very, very quickly, I could just click download PDF, and it would then download this product for me. Okay, and there it is. It's going to take a little bit of time, but it's right there. And I can then save this to my desktop, and I can just take this on a USB key or a CD over to my local print store, whether that be Staples or Kinko's or the UPS store. And then from there, I could just have it printed and it's ready to go. So that's one option. The other option is, once I have this file downloaded, if I don't want to print it, I can actually email my customers. So if you're a store that uses email to communicate and advertise to your customers, you can actually attach this PDF file to your email and send it to your customers as a digital flyer, which is great for those of you who are trying to save on paper. And of course, the third option is that if I wanted a print order and I didn't have time to go to the local print store or whatnot, I can actually place an order for print right from here. So all I got to do is pick the amount of print jobs I'd like, okay, and then place the order. And what's going to happen is this print job is going to be sent to your sales rep, and then your sales rep will make sure that it's all correct and approve that for you. And then the print order will be placed, and you'll be all set to go. And there you go. So the order has been successfully submitted. And if you wanted to check on all the orders that you've placed, all you do is go to the My Accounts section and then click on Order History, and you can see all the previous orders that have been placed. And also, most importantly, you can see how much this order is going to cost you. So if you look at the bottom here, here's the last order that we placed. And there's three statuses that you'll see here. Either the order has been placed, it's been canceled, or it's been completed. So if it's been completed, that means it's on its way to you and it's been shipped. And you can see here the price of the order, the shipping cost, the tax, and the total cost. And we've made sure that the pricing for these is right in line with all the other major print companies out there. So you'll notice that these prices are very, very competitive. And the beauty about this is that you don't have to worry about getting out of your office and going to the print store and then going back to pick it up. This is going to get shipped right to your door without you having to do anything. So it's a no hassle option for you. And so from here, you'll get an email confirming the order, and also your sales rep will also then approve or not approve this order, and you'll get a notification about that. But if you have any further questions about this process, feel free to contact your sales rep, and they'll be more than happy to assist you. But that pretty much ends my demonstration of the brand new P3 website, or Purity Profit Portal, by Purity Life Health Products, and I hope you've enjoyed this demonstration. If you have any further questions, of course, feel free to contact your sales rep. And thank you very much for your time.